In this video, you will learn how to manage your shared models, users, and their roles as an administrator using the Management Console for Tekla Model Sharing. To view and manage information about models and users in the Management Console, you must have a Trimble identity and an online profile with administrator rights or with the Model Sharing admin role. If you administer multiple accounts, select the account first from the top to manage its models. On the Dashboard page, you can view information about Tekla Structures versions used in model sharing. On the Models page, you can view detailed information about any model. Click the icon on the left to view more properties. You can also customize the columns and use advanced filtering options to find models more easily. List the users of the model and their assigned roles. You can also change the role. View all model versions and see whether they are updates or baselines. You can also download the latest model baseline for archiving purposes, for example. Adding users to shared models is also straightforward. Add a user to a single shared model by entering their email address and assigning a role. For fast bulk operations, you can import and export users. Or add a user to multiple shared models simultaneously with the same role. Also, access to shared models can be removed easily. Remove a user from a single shared model by changing their role to none. If a shared model encounters issues, such as accidental deletions, you can lock the model for investigation. This prevents further changes and allows you to assign a lock owner, who is the only user who can read in and write out packets while the model is locked. After investigation, if a specific version is problematic, you can delete the version. Deleting a version reverts the shared model to the previous valid state, and all newer versions are also deleted. Be aware, since changes made in deleted versions are permanently lost. Once issues have been resolved, simply unlock the model to allow users to resume reading in and writing out changes. On the Users page, you can see which models a user has access to and other details. Here you can remove a user from multiple shared models at once by selecting the user and clicking Remove Access. Stay alerted to critical events through the Notifications page. The Malware Scanning tab informs you if a potential infection is found in a model, showing model details and the uploader's email. By default, the model is automatically locked to prevent further read-ins and write-outs, but you can change this on the Settings page. The User Company Changes tab notifies you about changes in company account memberships, user removals, or resolved user account conflicts. When your Tekla Model Sharing project has been completed, we recommend that you archive your project. After archiving, you can safely delete the project. When you delete a model, it remains on the trash page for 90 days before being permanently deleted.